Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is the 6th of the 6th. It's D.Day. I am pouring today on behalf of someone who's already asked for this one. The first of the bumblebees, so it's the first time the mold's ever been used. I would be going live, but I'm not quite sure. I'll probably go live once I do this pour. As you can see, we're almost up to temperature. We're at 1053 out of 1120. Today is a very special day, as you guys know. And don't want to leave out anybody. So yeah. Got my flag, got my scales, got lots of things all sorted. All silver and bits. So yeah. Anyway, just a really quick one. I'll probably be going live in about the next hour, or next half hour or so. So stay tuned, enjoy, and we'll see how this has come out. Anyway, thanks again. Bye for now.